Hi, Tameless Testimonials here, getting ready to do another review on Keto Box. I have been amiss in getting with their boxes because I've been sent quite a few. It's been busy, weather has been nuts, just all kinds of stuff. So I hope this box that I'm doing for May does it justice. Let's see. Okay, so this is the box. Obviously, it's got the card on the top, but it looks like it's pretty chock full. Oh my God, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat all this stuff. This is a very full box. I wish you could see, like, this is, I don't even know how many pounds, but it's very heavy. I don't know that I'll be able to get through this. It's crazy. So we're just gonna get into it. All right. Cocoa, almond, more crunch, less carbs, Stoka bar. Total carb, 18, minus fiber is 6. Do your math. All right, I don't even know that I'm gonna go ahead and even start doing all this carb count stuff because they're, oh my God, I can't even believe how much stuff is in here. This is nuts. Ink. It's hard. It's kind of like one of those granola bars that we used to eat when we were little, like the apple cinnamon ones. Texture, I should say, by feel. And my crunch. That's good. That's better than any protein bar I've ever had. So I'm gonna have to look at the count on that. A lot of sweets in this thing. God damn it. I'm just not a sweet girl. I just like my savory stuff. Fat snacks. Double chocolate chip cookies. This is what I'm gonna do. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and you can just look at your carb count your own self. Oh, there's 2 in here. They look like they're very chewy. You can already tell by the way they're bending. Double chocolate chip. Net carbs 2. Okay, so I might just go ahead and look at this for my own damn self. Per cookie. This just isn't right. How many sugars in this one for me? Again, a dang bar. Dang. Say dang. Why are there so many sugar things in this one? Dang. Dang, that's good. Five carbs. Crazy. There you go. You did the math yourself, but I just did it. Sorry, I just can't help but be curious about things. I should have showed you the texture of the other bars. Okay, so this looks a little, ooh. It kind of came apart, and I always know when they do things like that, that kind of scare me. I have to smell them. So that's the inside. Got some seeds. Dang, it's got some seeds. And cardamom, that's probably what the seed is. Well, you need to grind those down just a little bit. I'm going to show you really quickly while I'm thinking about it because I said it and I have been so amiss in doing my videos. That Stokes bar, the cocoa one that I told you that looked like a granola bar from back in our old days. Good Lord. There you go. That's really what it looks like, but it looks like it does have some serious nut action going on. Definitely busting a nut. Okay, the fat snacks. You can see how when I said that it was chewy, just cover that up. It was chewy. I don't want to take too long on this thing. This thing is huge. Whew, and what do you go? Chocolate almonds. Soaked and sprouted, probiotic enhanced, mineral infused. Ooh, Sunbiotics. Wow, that's fancy dancy there. It's not only nuts, but they have added probiotics to it, which is always good for the blood. And 4 grams carbs in this one. All right, so I'm going to show you a nut. I'm going to bust a nut. And it is coated, very coated. Ooh. Really coated. Like make your mouth dry coated. Okay. Sunbiotics. Good for you. Wish you'd done like a zipper pack on that. Just keep it fresh. Kegenics Keto Meal. Ketone meal replacement in vanilla. So it looks like it's a shake. Carbs are 8, fibers 3. Makes it 5. Pizoots. Premium Virginia Artisan Peanuts. Sea salt and cracked pepper. Gonna need a Ziploc baggie for these. Taste the pepper. Not so much the salt. Okay, well, just a suggestion. Make them, if you're gonna sell them in packages that are bigger than this, definitely put like a Ziploc thing on that one. Now here we're talking. Beef sticks. I love me some salami. All right, Mission Meats. It doesn't say if it's got a flavor or not. I'm more of a savory girl. Ooh, dang. I wonder if I should do this one right now because I just did that pepper. You have shit ton of other stuff. I'm not kidding you. And we're still not done. All right, let's go ahead and taste it. It's not like it won't get eaten. It's a good salami stick. Trust me, being Italian, I do know what good salami tastes like. It's good. It got a little snap to it too, which is always a good thing. I have Catalina Crunch, 0 sugar foods, ditch sugar, cinnamon toast artisan cereal. You know what is crazy? Is I am not a cereal person. I'm not a milk person. But every once in a while, I do love me a good bowl of Golden Grams. Rethink cereal with Catalina Crunch. Catalina Crunch is the uncereal. Ditch the sugars and empty carbs and treat yourself 4 times to the protein, 5 times to the fiber, and 0 sugar. I'll just read it to you here, but you can see the bag. 12 grams of carbs, 7 grams of fiber. Holy crap, that makes this like nothing. Just being an alternative. Somebody's thinking about me. I might just be a little giddy about this. Says the girl who doesn't like sugars. You got a package a while, that's for sure. Oh, and you got your Ziploc. There you go. Oh my god, it smells like a cinnamon roll. And they do look like the Golden Grams, which is crazy. Okay, so they're kind of like these tail things. Look. They kind of look like gold. Look, they even have like this little Golden Grams signature crisscross pattern. Well, except the cross. They got the criss. Can't help but looking at this bird over here looking at me with all this food. This is funny. My wish was just granted. It's freaking funny. The other day, I was just saying, I really wish I could have some graham cereal. And Cinnamon Toast is even better because Cinnamon Toast is better than Cinnamon Graham. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think I'm just going to eat them dry. I'm not going to waste milk on them. I'm just going to snack on these things. This is crazy. This is a for sure buy for me. Well, apparently they had it all planned out because now this is Milkadamia, unsweetened macadamia milk. I suppose that's supposed to go on the cereal. 1 carbohydrate, 1 gram of fiber. That makes this nothing. Free range trees. I won't say anything else more. I'm gonna have to call them and see if it's okay if I can use this because it hasn't been used yet. So I'm not gonna try that just to save my tummy. And then there's this. This is Krate. It's a protein bar. It must have gotten heated a little bit in the sun, but it looks like it's yellow cake. There's that. There's that. Just a cake kind of girl. I wish I was. Actually, I don't wish I was. I'm glad. I'm happy with this is really kind of melty. I hope I'm only going to take a teeny tiny piece of this because, okay, it's yellow cake. This is exactly what it tastes like. Tastes just like a freaking piece of cake. And the texture is chewy. Kind of like a protein bar, but with a better flavor. So, well, there you go. So there's 1. 2. This is huge. 3. Even huger. I'm blown away by this box. Okay, I gotta be careful with these things. 4. I need to ziplock that. 5. Later. 6. The keto meal replacement shake. 7. The fat snacks. They were more like a brownie consistency. They were good. Where was I? 6. 7. This still needs a bag. 8. The bar that is like the old-fashioned granola bars that we used to grow up with. Rain Valley, I think is what the name was. And 9. So I hope I've done that right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. But these things are huge. I mean, these are full-size packages or something. All right. Hope I did. Oh, and 10. Sorry. All right. Everything is going in the box. I got another box to do. I got probably actually 16 others to do. So trying to get all these done. But wanted to let you know that I have a promo code. I'll put it down at the bottom. And you can get your percentage off. I'll let them see what they want to go ahead and give me the percentage off of because I've been doing quite a few videos for them. So we'll do that. And then hopefully you enjoy. If not, you can see the boxes are chock full of wonderful snacks that you can try. And then, of course, go online and then purchase. I mean, it's the perfect, it's the perfect, I don't want to say storm, but it's a perfect box. So, amen. Thank you. Good job, guys. This is a good box.